The 2013 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, OnStar, keyless entry, heated seats, backup camera, navigation system, traction control, third row seat, stability control, dual airbags. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.